The night was electric, buzzing with anticipation and excitement. You could feel the energy in the air, a palpable sense of something special about to happen. It was more than just a premiere, it was a celebration. Flashing lights from cameras filled the air, creating a dazzling spectacle. The paparazzi were out in full force, eager to capture every moment, every angle, every expression. It was a whirlwind of light and sound. A big movie premiere was happening for the new reboot, a highly anticipated reimagining of a classic story. The red carpet was meticulously prepared, a stage set for the stars to shine. Everyone was waiting for the stars to arrive, their eyes glued to the entrance, hoping for a glimpse of their favorite celebrities. The anticipation was building with each passing moment. The energy on the red carpet was high, almost feverish. The air crackled with excitement, a mixture of hope, admiration, and pure, unadulterated fandom. Fans screamed behind the velvet ropes, hoping to see their favorite actors, to maybe even get an autograph or a quick photo. Their enthusiasm was infectious, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. Then, a black car pulled up, its arrival instantly drawing everyone's attention. The crowd surged forward, eager to see who would emerge. The door opened slowly, deliberately, adding to the suspense. It was a moment of pure theater, a carefully orchestrated reveal. A single, elegant shoe stepped out onto the red carpet, a tantalizing glimpse of what was to come. The collective intake of breath was almost audible. The crowd held its breath, completely captivated, waiting to see who owned that shoe, who would grace the red carpet with their presence. It was her, JenniferLoveHewitt, the moment everyone had been waiting for. She looked absolutely incredible, radiating confidence and grace. She commanded attention without even trying. A wave of cheers erupted from the fans, a deafening roar of appreciation and excitement. It was a hero's welcome. The photographers went wild, their cameras clicking like 100 tiny drums, each one vying for the perfect shot. The flashes illuminated her from every angle. She paused, taking it all in with a radiant smile, acknowledging the love and support from the crowd. She knew this was her moment. Jennifer stood tall and confident in a stunning black dress that caught every light, shimmering and sparkling with each movement. It was a dress fit for a queen. She was not just a guest, she was royalty, honoring the movie that defined her career, a legacy that continues to inspire. Her presence bridged the classic original film and this new chapter, a symbol of continuity and enduring appeal. She was the link between generations of fans. She waved to the cheering fans, her smile warm and genuine, a heartfelt expression of gratitude. She truly appreciated their unwavering support. The energy of the entire event lifted, reaching a new level of excitement and anticipation. The second she stepped out, transforming the premiere into something truly unforgettable. Everyone felt this was a special occasion, a moment to be cherished and remembered. It was more than just a movie premiere, it was a cultural event. JenniferLoveHewitt was back, reminding everyone why she's a beloved star, a true icon of the screen. Let's talk about the dress, shall we? Because this isn't just any dress. It's a carefully constructed piece of art. It's a statement. It's a moment. It was a floor-length masterpiece, a sweeping vision of elegance that commanded attention from every angle. Made of a luxuriously deep black fabric, it served as the perfect canvas, almost like a night sky ready to be adorned, and it was covered, absolutely covered, in shimmering black beads. The beads swirled in intricate patterns, a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow that seemed to shift with every movement, creating a texture like a starry night sky, each bead a tiny star contributing to a breathtaking constellation. It was truly captivating. The craftsmanship was exquisite, a testament to the artistry and skill involved. Every bead perfectly placed, meticulously sewn, a labor of love evident in every shimmering detail. The classic silhouette hugged Jennifer's curves, accentuating her figure with a flattering and timeless elegance. It was a shape that spoke of confidence and poise, with a gentle scoop neckline showing off her collarbones, adding a touch of delicate femininity to the overall look. It was subtle, yet impactful. The dress flowed to the floor, cascading like a waterfall of black silk and beads, creating a sense of drama and movement, ending in a small train. Pure old Hollywood glamour, a nod to the iconic styles of the past, reimagined for the modern red carpet. What made it magical was the way it moved, the way the fabric draped and swayed, the way the beads caught the light with every turn. With every step, the beads caught the light, creating a dazzling display of sparkle and shimmer that illuminated her presence. sparkling like her own galaxy, a celestial body radiating beauty and confidence. It was more than just a dress, it was an aura. The dress wasn't just clothing, it was art in motion, a wearable sculpture that transformed Jennifer into a living masterpiece. The play of light made her seem to glow from within, as if the dress was amplifying her natural radiance, creating an ethereal effect. It was bold yet understated, a delicate balance between making a statement and maintaining a sense of refined elegance. Glamorous and tasteful, a combination that's not always easy to achieve, but Jennifer pulled it off flawlessly. The black color was classic, a timeless choice that never goes out of style, a blank slate for creativity and embellishment. But the beading made it modern and exciting, transforming a simple black dress into a show-stopping piece of contemporary art. Jennifer's sense of style shone through, her innate ability to choose pieces that perfectly complement her personality and figure. She knows how to choose a dress that's both elegant and unforgettable, a dress that will be talked about and admired for years to come. The gown was a statement of pure elegance, a testament to the power of simplicity and the impact of exquisite detail. It communicated power, a sense of self-assuredness and confidence that radiated from Jennifer with every pose. Grace and enduring fashion, a timeless quality that transcends trends and speaks to a deeper understanding of style. Jennifer Love Hewitt proved she's mastered the art of the red carpet, consistently delivering looks that are both stunning and sophisticated. Jennifer's accessories were perfectly chosen. With such a detailed dress, she kept her jewelry simple and elegant. She wore long, delicate diamond drop earrings that caught the light and framed her face. On her wrist, a single, thin diamond bracelet matched her earrings. No necklace, letting the dress's neckline shine. Her clutch was a small, structured black bag, simple, chic, and just big enough for essentials. The bag's beauty was in its sleek, modern shape. Every accessory was deliberate, creating a cohesive, polished look. The diamonds provided sparkle, the clutch provided structure. Nothing was out of place. Jennifer proved that less is more when accessorizing a major red carpet look. Her choices were a masterclass in refined glamour. They elevated her already stunning gown. She solidified her status as a true fashion icon. Every element worked in harmony. Jennifer Love Hewitt knows exactly how to create a memorable, elegant look. Jennifer's makeup was as glamorous as her dress, perfectly complementing her overall red carpet presence. It was clear that every detail was carefully considered to create a stunning and memorable look. Her eyes were the undeniable focus, the focal point of her entire makeup design. A masterful blend of smoky bronze and deep brown shadow made them pop, adding depth and dimension. The shades worked together seamlessly to create a captivating effect. Black eyeliner precisely applied and long, fluttery lashes added drama and intensity to her gaze. This classic combination enhanced her natural beauty. Her skin looked flawless and glowing, a testament to the skill of her makeup artist and the quality of the products used. This was achieved with a dewy foundation that provided a radiant base, complemented by a soft, rosy blush that added a touch of warmth to her cheeks. The blush was subtle, yet effective. Strategically placed highlighter on her cheekbones and the bridge of her nose caught the light beautifully, accentuating her features and creating a luminous effect. For her lips, she chose a glossy pinkish nude shade, a perfect choice that enhanced her natural lip color without overpowering the rest of her makeup. This choice was key in balancing the dramatic eyes, ensuring that the overall look remained harmonious and elegant. It was a study in makeup equilibrium. The look was undeniably modern, fresh, and polished, showcasing a contemporary take on classic Hollywood glamour. Her hair was styled in soft, glamorous waves, reminiscent of old Hollywood icons, yet updated with a modern sensibility. It was parted elegantly to the side and cascading gracefully over one shoulder, creating a flattering and sophisticated silhouette. The waves were loose and bouncy, giving her hair a natural, effortless feel. This added significant volume and movement, preventing the style from looking too stiff or contrived. The hair seemed to flow with her every move. The style looked effortlessly chic, as if she had simply woken up with perfectly styled hair. The way the hair framed her face perfectly highlighted her features and drew attention to her stunning makeup. The rich, dark color of her hair shone under the bright lights of the red carpet, adding to her overall radiance. This classic Hollywood hairstyle was undeniably the perfect choice, complementing her dress and makeup flawlessly. Ultimately, her makeup and hair worked in harmony to enhance her natural beauty, rather than masking it. The overall effect was timeless, radiant, and sophisticated, solidifying her status as a style icon. Jennifer Love Hewitt looked every bit the star, a true vision of red carpet glamour. The red carpet was about more than fashion, it was about reunions. Jennifer's former co-star, Freddie Prinze Jr., was also there. When they saw each other, they shared a big, warm hug for the cameras. Their smiles were huge and genuine, showing real friendship. Fans loved seeing their on-screen chemistry come to life again. Jennifer also greeted the new cast with warmth and enthusiasm. She posed for photos, laughed, and looked like a proud mentor. Her interactions were genuine and supportive. She made everyone feel welcome and celebrated. Her body language was open and friendly. She brought positive energy to the event. Jennifer's presence connected the past and present beautifully. It was a true celebration of the film's legacy. On the red carpet, Jennifer Love Hewitt radiated confidence. She walked with her head high and a genuine smile. She looked completely in her element, owning the red carpet. Years of experience have given her a magnetic self-assurance. Her charisma was undeniable. People were drawn to her warmth. She spoke to reporters thoughtfully, posed playfully, and laughed with the crowd. Her charm made her approachable and real, even in a glamorous gown. This blend of Hollywood glamour and relatability is rare. It's what makes her so popular with fans. She feels like a friend who just happens to be a movie star. Her positive energy was infectious, lifting everyone's mood. She brought fun and excitement to the premiere. Her confidence was inspiring, never arrogant. Jennifer showed that true star power is about how you carry yourself and make others feel. She proved she's a true star inside and out. As soon as Jennifer's red carpet photos hit the internet, social media exploded. Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok buzzed with praise for her look. Words like stunning, gorgeous, and iconic trended instantly. Her name became a trending topic. Fans marveled at her timeless beauty and compared her to her 90s self. One tweet summed it up. Jennifer Love Hewitt is proof some people just get more beautiful with time. Fashion bloggers and magazines raved about her black beaded dress. Her look was declared one of the best of the night. People searched for the designer behind the gown. Her red carpet moment became a major fashion headline. Jennifer's ability to create viral, memorable looks is unmatched. This premiere was a perfect example of her star power. Jennifer Love Hewitt has been a style icon for decades. In the 90s, she rocked trendy, youthful looks, crop tops, spaghetti straps, and cute dresses. She inspired millions of teens with her girl-next-door style. As her career grew, her style matured, elegant gowns, chic outfits, and classic silhouettes. She balanced trendy elements with timeless elegance. Jennifer has never been afraid to take fashion risks, from bold dresses to powerful pantsuits. She evolves and adapts, always true to herself. Her fashion journey mirrors her personal and professional growth. Now, at the reboot premiere, her style is more sophisticated than ever. The black beaded gown shows confidence and control of her image. It honors her past while looking to the future. Her style evolution is a testament to her longevity. Jennifer has grown from teen idol to enduring star, and her wardrobe tells that story. Why does Jennifer Love Hewitt still capture our hearts? She's been part of our lives for decades on screen and in spirit. Her talent is undeniable, from comedy to drama to horror. She brings warmth and relatability to every role. Audiences connect with her because she feels real. Her positive, radiant personality shines through. She's known for kindness to fans and grace with the press. Jennifer's inner light makes her truly special. At the premiere, she looked stunning and radiated confidence. Her fashion sense is impeccable, but it's her spirit that truly shines. We love Hewitt because she's a timeless, positive, and beautiful star.